Hello guys, we are going to all 7 churches. But we already passed 2, so there's 5 more churches. Look at the way.
Kuya? Hi.
So yeah, I'm gonna video when we go to the 3rd church, and yeah, let's get to it. Wait guys, I forgot to tell you, this is gonna be a series. A short video, wait, what you call that? Shorts? YouTube Shorts series. The first one. Wait, this is not gonna be a 3 whole minute video, cause it's gonna be hours. Guys, we just got out. This is the new church. Yeah. This is the new church. I'm gonna video when we get in, okay? Bye. Actually, we're walking. That was not the church. So sorry. Hello guys, we are here. Whoa. We are here, guys. So let's get to it. Is this the? Oh yeah, the same thing at church.
Kuya, there for business.
Oh yeah, the same thing at church.
This is Carmelite.
Carmelite.
Carmelite Church.
What?
There for business.
Oh. Mamaya sa pag-live na ako.
Mag-live ka. Patulo ni Daddy.
Asa daddy ka? Unsa pag-live? Cause I wanna try it.
What do you mean live?
Like live.
Live on what?
Live on YouTube.
No. I don't usually do live.
But how do you do it?
There's a button live there.
Where?
Try to toggle it.
What's Tagon? Guys, I'ma go live, so just wait.